All right, ladies and gentlemen, Gunny is now 9.5 months of age. We're going to do a little bit of training out here. That's kind of behind the scenes look at some car agitation training. That's good. This is the first time this guy's had some warm weather to be out here and doing this. Good, that's right, good. So literally, this is a very candid look at a training exercise. Got a starter pistol popping intermittently here and there. We got a handler helping direct. Good. Hey! Good. Of course, I'm making all sorts of noises, rioting here. Hey! Good. Good. Oh, not going to be that easy. Not going to be that easy. Good. Good. Hey. Good. Stay. Good. Nice. You can see a very calm grip here. This guy is deep, deep, deep up in there. All the way back into the P2s, man. Nice. He shows adversity. He shows a lot of confidence. I let him have a nice solid win there. Good. It's good. Good. Nice. Very good. Very good. And again, guys, 9.5 months of age, not quite 10. This guy still has some physical and mental maturity to go. But you see the foundation, pretty solid. Everything's looking really intact for this guy. Everything, again, looking really bright for Gunny in the future. So keep your eyes out on our YouTube channel. We're always putting up fresh content and having a good time doing it. Hope you enjoyed that video.